Hi everyone, welcome back to Cooking with the Professor. And today I want to do with you a very simple recipe, which I think it's nice because it's still simple and fresh, but like what you would like during the summer, but it utilizes ingredients that are typical of the fall season. So this is going to be a celery mushroom salad with obviously celery and mushrooms here. And we'll also add some very special ingredients, namely Parmigiano Reggiano, Parmesan cheese, possibly, if at all possible, the original Italian version of it, and mortadella, which is a cured meat that is typical of Emilia-Romagna region in Italy. But you can substitute this mortadella with other kinds of cured meat, or even with shrimp if you don't eat meat. Okay. So let's get started. We have our celery here that I'll just clean. Well, I've washed it, of course, and now I'm going to chop it. So we want to remove the thicker parts. We should utilize the center of the celery, which is much more tender than the external parts of it. So we just chop it like this, quite big. So I'll use this to show you the size, but we'll remove it because it's just dropped on the floor. So just proceed it. It's very simple, and put everything in a nice bowl. I like a wide, nice bowl for this kind of recipe. Just go like this, and you can also leave a few leaves here to garnish. We'll use them later. Let me just finish chopping. Okay, it's nice to garnish our dish with a bit of celery leaves. Okay. Then we take the mushrooms. The original recipe would have very special mushrooms that are ovally, that are very tasty and quite rare to find. I've substituted them with portobello mushroom. So again, we want to have this kind of thick pieces. So we'll put them on top of our celery in a bowl. The same with another one. So you see how simple it is. Let's chop our ingredients. Maybe these are too many for this small bowl. We can keep them for a nice addition later. Then we want to chop the cured meat, mortadella. You have to make sure that the slices from which you start are quite thick, and then you want to dice it so that you have nice little cubes of mortadella. So you want them to be the same, with roughly. So we'll remove this just to make it even. We can use it for a nice snack. And then we chop it again, we dice it. Very simple. And we put it in the bowl with all other ingredients. Again, I dice them here. And you may add as much as you want. I think that for this bowl, it's enough what I've put so far. So we can move on to the Parmesan cheese. And again, I like to have little pieces like this, but not too small. I want the flavor and the texture to be noticeable when you eat the food, when you eat this salad. So doing this, and that's it. We put everything here, and then we season it and garnish it with salt. Oops. Pepper. Oh, I took the wrong one. Here's the one I need. Always put salt and pepper before the liquids, and then you proceed from the less dense to the more dense liquid. And we can just put some lemon juice here with, I can help myself with a knife, sorry, with a fork.
Io ho finito scuola.
Lisa, I'm recording. So we go like this. And then some more. These are the lemons from our garden, which are excellent, quite sweet, as a matter of fact. So it really depends on your taste and how much lemon you want to make when you put inside your salad. And then some nice olive oil. We have some nice Italian olive oil. Greek olive oil is excellent, but really just extra virgin olive oil is the secret here. All right, so this is our full salad with celery, mushroom, mortadella, and Parmesan cheese. Goodbye and enjoy.
What if I need